In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start with Shopify email. We'll be guiding you through the process of getting your Shopify store ready and integrating effective email marketing strategies. Hop on board as we explore creating an account, setting up your store, integrating email tools, and more, ensuring you're perfectly positioned to grow your business through email marketing. First things first, setting up your Shopify store. You'll begin by creating a Shopify account, which is a fairly straightforward process. Head over to the Shopify website, hit the Sign Up button, and choose a plan that best fits your business goals. Once your account is set up, it's time to breathe life into your store. Populate it with your business information, pick a theme that resonates with your brand, and don't forget to add your products. These are the essentials that lay a strong foundation for your online store. Next, we'll look into email marketing tools, a crucial component for ongoing customer engagement. Shopify offers its proprietary tool, Shopify Email, which seamlessly integrates with your store. Alternatively, consider linking external platforms like MailChimp if they better cater to your needs. Either way, you'll have an efficient system for reaching your audience. Creating email sign-up forms is another vital step. These forms are your gateway to building a robust subscriber list. Place them thoughtfully on your site. Home pages, footers, product pages, and collection pages are prime spots. It's also worth considering pop-up forms. Although some may find them intrusive, pop-ups are incredibly effective at grabbing visitor attention and securing sign-ups right when they land on your site. Sweeten the deal by incentivizing sign-ups. Perhaps offer discounts, freebies, or exclusive content, making it an irresistible proposition for potential subscribers. With your list growing, setting up email automation becomes essential. Start with a warm welcome email. This automated message is the perfect opportunity to greet and engage new subscribers, setting the tone for future interactions. From there, branch out into other types of automated emails, like those that remind customers of abandoned carts or provide personalized product recommendations. These automated touches ensure that your communication remains timely and relevant, even without manual input. Managing your email list is an ongoing task, central to your marketing success. Segment your email list into targeted groups based on demographics, interests, or previous purchases. This segmentation allows you to send highly tailored content that resonates with specific audience segments. Always aim to send valuable content, whether that's exclusive offers, insightful updates, or relevant news. And of course, track your results diligently. Monitoring your campaigns not only shows you what's working, but also provides critical insights for making necessary adjustments to enhance performance. Following these steps will set you on a path to harnessing the full power of Shopify email, allowing you to maximize engagement and build meaningful relationships with your customers. Stay tuned, and let's dive into each step together.